Report 2013 Participant Diagnostics to find possible data entry errors that could affect your PIR. Click on the Reports tab, select the enrollment category, open Report 2013. Select the correct program term, and enter an override cutoff age if applicable. Click to select the correct locations, and determine if participants should be grouped by agency, site, or classroom. Include enrolled and all dropped statuses to generate a list of everyone that could appear on the PIR. Click View in Grid to view the report. You now have a list of participants who either have missing or mismatched information. Scroll horizontally to find possible data entry errors for each participant. Click the blue links to visit the record for a specific participant and enter the correct information. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.